Greg, thank you for joining us. We're at the One-to-One conference in Cape Town today. Tell us a little bit more about the company.
Yeah, thank you, Scott. Well, SunPeak is a Vancouver-based company with exploration licenses in northern Ethiopia, in the province of Tigray. Our team has worked in East Africa for almost 20 years now, going back to 2002 to 2005 as the exploration team for Nevsun Resources in Eritrea, where we were very successful and made a significant discovery. And then we moved on to be senior management for Sunridge, also in Eritrea. And we applied the same techniques that we used with Nevsun. We were once again very successful. We defined 6 new deposits. We took 4 of them through feasibility and acquired a mining license. And then just about 4 years ago in 2016, we sold the projects to a large Chinese SOE. We then went on to found SunPeak. And we decided to look south of the border. Essentially, the trends go north-south and the border goes east-west. So it was quite logical to look south of the border. And on our first visit, we were pleasantly pleased that we identified the same trends that we've been working in for the better part of 20 years. And in addition to that, we saw numerous opportunities to find economic deposits. So we made a decision to proceed. Now, jumping ahead 4 years, we now have about 1,000 square kilometers of exploration licenses. Half of that is 100% SunPeak, and half of that we have a joint venture partner, an Ethiopian company, where we can earn in 70%. We have done a significant amount of work in the last 2 years. We've probably spent over $2.5 million, mostly on geophysics, airborne VTEM survey, a lot of ground geophysics, detailed ground gravity, mapping, geochem. But this year in 2020, we're really stepping it up. We're going to begin our first drill program next week, and we expect to drill over 10,000 meters in 2020.
So obviously there's a lot of news flow that will be coming out, a lot of potential for investors. Ethiopia as a place to operate, tell us a little bit more about that.
Well, Ethiopia does not have a long history of modern mining, and there's a variety of reasons for that, but the area itself is prolific, and that's demonstrated with our previous projects north of the border. It's the same geology. We also have Newmont as a neighbor, and they're doing a major exploration program, and we've heard that they're having success, so that works well for everybody, including us. We never had the benefit of having a company like Newmont when we were in Eritrea, so this is quite pleasant for us to have a good neighbor.
So very exciting times ahead for you. How's the One-to-One conference been for you?
It's been fantastic. A lot of high quality meetings, a lot of interest in our project. As I said, we're well funded. We are private right now, but we are in the process of moving towards public. We expect to be trading on the Toronto Venture Exchange sometime around mid-March.
Superb. Well, thank you for your time today.
Okay, thank you very much, Scott.